Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your online class. Hope all of you are doing fine. I am your geography teacher Sanjida Hassan. Today our lesson is chapter 4, our environment. In the previous class we discussed about environment, types of environment and the importance of the environment. Today we will talk about environment pollution, types of environment pollution and environment of Bangladesh. Let's start. Environmental pollution. All animals and plants adjust themselves to their environment in which they are born and live. Any change in their environment may cause discomfort and affect their normal lives. Any unfavorable change in the environment that brings discomfort is known as environmental pollution. Environmental pollution occurs when any form of impurity is introduced into a clean source. Pollution is anything that makes the earth dirty and unhealthy. There are many kinds of pollution. Environmental pollution is the most common. Air, water, soil, and other objects of the environment are getting polluted day by day. Pollution is dangerous. It affects everything from land to water, air, noise, and more. Pollution is the degradation of Earth's land surface, often caused by human activities, and their misuse of the land resource. It occurs when waste is not disposed of properly. It is caused due to the overuse of our resources. A change in the environment due to the pollution affects our living of this earth. Types of pollution. There are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil and land pollution. First, we'll talk about air pollution. Air pollution is the accumulation of harmful substances in the air. Some of the main contributors to the air pollution are automobile emissions, tobacco, smoke, industrial output, power plants, aerosols, sprays, brick fields and nuclear wastes. We take oxygen from the air for our survival. It is for our own interest that we should keep our air from the harmful substance. Due to the increasing of factories and automobiles in our country, the pollution is getting big and big, and air pollution also causes health issues. Water pollution. Water pollution is the unwanted mixture of physical, chemical and biological matters into the water bodies. These matters degrade the lives in the water and who consumes it. Some of the main contributors of water pollution are wastes from the factories, refineries, pesticides, human sewage, household and animal wastes. The best way to prevent water pollution is not to throw any waste in water. Soil and land pollution. Soil and land pollution is pollution on the earth's natural soil and land by domestic agriculture, commercial and industrial activities. Industrial plants, pesticides, littering, deforestation, human sewage is some of the main contributors for soil and land pollution. Environment of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a low-lying country of rivers with some hilly areas on the northeast and the southeast region. The Bay of Bengal is situated on the south. The country has modest monsoon climate. The country environment has been depending on its geographical location, limited natural resource and the growth of population. Due to its geographical location, the country is affected by floods, cyclones, tornado every year. The country also experiences riverbank erosion and landslides. Rapid growth of population is one of the main problems of Bangladesh. The main environment degradation in Bangladesh related to air, water and land pollution. The main sources of air pollution in Bangladesh are industries, automobiles and natural processes. Once the country had a beautiful water resource, but now the water is being polluted every day. Water pollution in Bangladesh has now reached a crisis point. Almost every river system in Bangladesh is now polluted to a great extent, and if it continues in future, then there will be shortage of clean water. Bangladesh is the world's highest densely populated nation, and according to the size, the city is overpolluted, and ongoing demand of the groundwater is also increasing. As a result, the extraction of groundwater level decreasing dramatically, causing arsenic pollution. The government of Bangladesh has been actively participating in the process of protecting the country's environment through the Department of Environment. The Department of Environment also introduced some laws to save the environment, but people don't follow those rules and it causes damage to the environment. That's for all today. See you in the next class.